Hello and welcome to the Cooper project. Today we're going to be blacking out all the chrome fixings on the car, but for the demonstration in this video I will be using the surrounds for the headlights. We'll go through scuffing up the parts. I had actually shown you a pre-scuffed part there. This is essentially what you'll be starting with, so you'll see a nice shiny mirror finish. We want to dull that all the way down and give a nice etching for our primer and paint to bite into and really hold on. Yeah, so we'll be going through the paint prep, well, the scuffing, the paint prep, then primer, paint coat and lacquer as well. So let's get started. Okay, so this is our halo piece that we'll be starting on. I have 400 grit emery, wet or dry, and we're just going to start scuffing up. Now, I'll do a section here and try and hold it in front of the camera so that you can actually see the type of finish or the type of look that we're going to be looking for. Now, where possible, it is better not to just go in straight lines all the way around the thing. It is preferable to try and get across, so a circular motion if you can, but you will have to dig in and you will have to go in that linear movement to get at certain points. So, almost done with this top section here. Okay, let's see. Yes. So, see if you can make that out there. So you can see that's our dull finish, and that's our unscuffed look. So our dull scuffed look and our unscuffed look. Okay. So I'll continue with the rest of this and we'll get back for paint prep. Okay, so that is our halo prepped. What we're going to do now is run over it with some degreaser just to make sure that it's free from any sort of oil, grease, wax buildup that it may have picked up on the road. Even some cleaners as well contain silicone, which again will stop your paint from adhering to the actual piece. So just give that a good wipe down. Okay, so now that that's done, we will set it up and get ready to prime. So that's it. Okay, so that's our setup. I'm ready for our primer coat. So what we'll do now is we'll give that 10 minutes or so to dry, and once it's sort of touch dry, we will add 3 coats, and when I cut back into it again we will be ready for paint. Okay, so that's our 3 coats of primer added now for our paint. Now, generally speaking, if I was just painting normal components, I would just use 2 coats of primer, paint and lacquer. it's just because these are at the front of the vehicle, and it's likely they're just going to be under more abuse from stones flicking up off the road and that type of stuff, that I've decided to try and go a wee bit thicker, and just build it up that wee bit stronger. Try to make it just put up and take a wee bit more abuse. So we'll apply our first coat of paint. And that's it. First coat applied. I'll see you after another 2. Okay, so that is 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of paint, and now on for our lacquer. I have again went for a satin lacquer. I just want a wee dull sheen off it. I don't like how flat and matte is, so I think that satin was just the colour choice for me. So let's apply. If you do find, well, I would find, especially when it comes to lacquer, if you find that you've missed a wee bit, or you've lightly touched an area, instead of trying to hit it after you've completed it, what you should do is just let that dry and get it on the next coat. It'll blend in perfectly, and you'll just remove any chance of creating a run in what you've already done. So that's the way I would do it. What I'll do now is I will let that dry, get another couple of coats on it, and then I will bring it up to the camera and let you see the finished product. So here we have our finished product, all done with the paint. So I actually have another one done there that I've fitted on the headlight again, so just to give an idea. So this is our finish. Now looking back, I can see there's a little ding. I don't know if the light just reflecting there, the center. I'm not quite happy with that, so I may go back with a filler primer at some point, and try and fill that out. But on the whole, I think it looks very, very smart, and I'm super excited to see it back under the car. So that is a quick run through of my paint process for black and white chrome fittings. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.